You can easily design your own date stamp using our custom stamp designer. Simply hover over Rubber Stamps and click on Date Stamp Designer. Under the Text tab, you will see Top Text and Bottom Text. The top text goes above the date, bottom text goes below the date. Enter your custom text here. Choose your font. Choose your point size. And the text will appear above the date in the designer. For the bottom text, again, add your text. Choose your font and your point size. And that text will appear below the date in the designer. You can add an additional line of text to the bottom or to the top of the stamp. At the bottom of the designer will be your choices available based on the text that you have added to your stamp. If choosing a self-inking stamp, you will first need to select your ink color and then click Select. Finally, you will need to enter your quantity and click Add to Cart. It's as simple as that.